Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. So today we continue on our tutorial discussion on chapter 3, which is applications of a trigonometry. Okay, so let's look on the solution for question 1. PQS and RQS is a two triangles where PQ 8.3, QR 10.6, QR 10.6, RS 9.7, and SP 7.12. Use Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangle PQR. Means that you want to calculate for the whole of the triangle. So we have two triangles. And then the question is already mentioned by using Heron's formula. So make sure you must use Heron's formula. Okay, so in order to use Heron's formula, we need to find first what is the value of S. We know that S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, what is A, what is B, what is C? This is the length of the side triangle. So you have these two triangles. What is length here? What is the length here? What is the length here? So we know that 10.6 plus 8.3 plus the bottom one, you have two values. So make sure you must get the summation between 9.7 and 7.12, and then you divide by 2, and then you can get 17.86. Okay, 17.86 is the value of S. So now we can find the area. Okay, by using the Heron's formula, area is square root S, the value that you get above, times by S minus A, times by S minus B, times by S minus C. Okay, and then you substitute all the value that you get from S above, and then you can calculate, you get 35.90 cm cubed. Okay, any problems? Understand? Question number 1. Okay, now looks on question number 2. Okay, if you have any problems, make sure ask me directly. Okay, you can check or open your mic. Okay, question 2. PQR is a triangle where PQ 7.3, QR 9.6, and PR 14.7. Calculate the area of triangle. So this one also the same thing. You have all the side, okay, value of the side. So we can use Heron's formula in order to find the area of triangle. Heron's formula, you need to find S first. So 7.3 plus 9.6 plus 14.7 divided by 2, and then you can get 15.8. Then you can find the area by substitute in this formula. You can get 30.26 cm square. Okay, this one question A. And then question B, you need to find what is the height of P from RQ. Okay, wait, where's? Okay, what is the height of P from RQ? Okay, so height of P from RQ, your this one lah. Kita nak tengok dia punya height dia. Okay, means that supposedly RQ ni duduk kat bawah. It doesn't matter lah. Okay, so we can use the formula area. Okay, area when you have one height. Area equal to 1 over 2 times base times height. Okay? And then your friend simplify 2a equal to b times h, and then h equal to 2a over b. Okay, what is your 2a? Okay, okay, 2a, your a, you already got from a, which is 30.26, and then b is your base because you want to find from RQ, so 9.6, and then h, you can get 6.03. Okay, any problems? And then you not on they have a lot of what we call it way in order to get this value. Okay, not only this method. Okay, not only this method to get height of p. Okay, now looks on question 3. Okay, in the diagram below, so you have the diagram. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so this one also same thing. You have the value of side. Okay, so we need to use Heron's formula. In order to use Heron formula, you must find first what is C, 21.6 plus 16.4 plus 12.8 divided by 2, you can get 25.4. And then after you get 25.4, you can find the area. Okay, the area after you substitute in the formula, you can get area 104.62. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, any problems? Okay, looks on question 4. In the diagram below, B, C, D, okay, B, C, D is a straight line. So you have this diagram, BCD is a straight line. Calculate the angle of ACD. Okay, calculate the angle of ACD. Means that you want to find the angle here, right? Okay. So you can use the law of cosine. Okay, law of cosine. Okay, you can find this one C because you have the value of C. C square. C square equal to A square plus D square. No, it's not D, it's a B. Okay, this one is B. B minus 2AD cos. Kan? Cos C lah. Ikutnya. Okay. So after you substitute the value, you can get 10.6 square equal to 5.7 square plus 6.5 square minus 2 times 6.5, 5.7 cos theta. Dia buat theta pun tak ada masalah. Okay. So after you calculate, you can get 120.51. Okay. 120.51. Okay. Boleh dapat? Okay. Maybe some of you can get a difference at the back ni. Okay. But make sure 120 must be correct lah. Okay. It's depend on how many decimal spaces that you taken here. Make sure you must take at least 4 decimal places here. At least 4 decimal places. If you take less decimal places, so your answer may be not accurate lah. Okay, make sure you must take the at least 4 decimal places in your calculations. Okay. Okay, question B. The length of AB. Okay, the length of AB, we can use law of sine. Okay, law of sine. So you must find first what is C. Okay, C you can get 59.49, and then you can get AB equal to 5.86. Okay, boleh? And then C, the area of ABC. Okay, so the area of ABC, you can use any method lah. So your friend use sine. Okay, and then you can get the area of ABC, 14.04. Okay, any problems? Okay, if you don't have any problems, let's proceed to question 5. Diagram below show triangle ABC and triangle AED. AEC is a straight line. Given that the angle of BAC is 16, AB equal to 5, BC equal to 8, and ED equal to 15.6. Calculate the length of EC, the length of EC. Oh, so means that you want to calculate only this value. Okay, because you already have this one, 8.5. So make sure you need to find first what is AC. Okay, so you can get EC because you have the value AE. So you need to find first what is AC. Okay. Okay, in order to calculate this value, we can use law of cosine. Okay, your friend use this one, B square. Where is B? Saya tak tahu ni B kat mana. Okay, B this one lah. Dia buat B equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. This one you get from where? No, you cannot use this one because we only have this angle. Okay, you only have this angle, so you must use the formula which is using this angle. Okay, using this angle which is A. So you must use x square equal to, because we know the value of 8 equal to 5. Here is 5. 5 square plus, okay, this one AC, AC lah, AC square minus 2 times 5 times by AC, and then cos 60 degree. Okay, so you can get the value of AC here, whereby AC here AC you get here is the value of A, wait, AC. After you calculate this one, you can get the value of AC, whereby AC equal to AE plus EC. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, you can get the value of EC equal to AC minus AE. Okay. This one, you can get the final answer is 0.727, around that figure lah. Okay. Because AC you get from here, AE is the 8.5. Boleh? Okay. Do you get this one? 0.727. This value for EC. Huh? Haikal, Muhammad Haikal, do you got it or not? 0.727. Haikal? Okay, I repeat. Okay, because you have the angle 60. So when you have the angle 60, you must use this angle 60 is A. Okay, so you cannot use this formula. Okay, you must use the formula A equal to A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2 BC cos A. Okay, and then you have the value of A here. A is 8 square equal to B. Where is B? B is this one. B. Okay. B is the value of 8.5 plus EC square plus C. C is 5 square. Okay. Minus 2 times 8.5 plus EC times by 5. Saya tulis sini times by cos 60. So you can get this one EC direct. When you solve this equation, you can get EC equal to 0.727. Okay. That one for question A. Okay, question B. Angle of AED. Angle of AED. Where is AED? AED means that you want to find this angle. Okay. Angle of AED. Okay. You can find by using what formula? Oh, because it's already given the area, right? Okay. Angle AAD, if the area of triangle AED is 54, so the area equal to 54. Yeah, so it's already given, so you must use formula area lah. Area equal to 1 over 2 AE times ED. Okay, and then the angle you want to find. 54, 1.2, 8.5, 15.6 sine E. And then when you calculate, so you can get sine E equal to, calculation ni salah ni. Okay. So this one, if you calculate, you can get what? 54 times 2. So this one, sorry. Okay. This one, sine E equal to times 2. Okay, so this one, sine E, you can get 180 divided by 221. Your calculation is silap ni. Okay, and then E, you can get 54.54 degree. Okay. Okay. If you can see that this angle given is the reference angle. Kalau awak tengok E ni, dia adalah angle yang besar. Okay, dia akan bagi sudut kuadran ke dua tu. So you cannot choose this value. Okay, E you must get from 180 minus 54.54 degree. So your final answer is 125.46 degree. So this is the value of E. Bukan ambil yang ni. Sebab kalau awak tengok sudut dia tu sudut obtuse angle. Okay. So you cannot choose this value lah. You must choose 125.46. Okay. That one for question B. Okay, now looks on question C. Question 6. Okay. In triangle ABC, A equal to 20, C equal to 16, and then angle A equal to 30. How many distinct triangles can be drawn given this measurement? Explain why, then solve the triangles. Okay. So by using law of sine, so you can get, okay, remember, because you are already given one angle only. So when it is given one angle and two sides, you must check the ambiguity. Okay, ambiguity cases. Ingat tak yang kita belajar? Ambiguity cases chapter 2. Okay, kita nak tengok, we want to check whether you have one triangle or two triangle. So that's why question asks you to check. Okay. So when you find by using law of sine, you can get C equal to 23.6. Okay. So this C 23.6, okay, we can find the reference angle for 23.6. You can get berapa? Another C. Make sure. This one, for example, C1. Okay. So you must find C2. C2, the rest lah. C2 is 180 minus 23.6. So you can get 156.4 degree. Because we want to check first. Question tu dia tanya ada berapa triangle. So this one is C1, this one is C2. And then in order to determine whether you have two triangle or not, we can check the summation of the triangle. Okay, because we know that the summation of triangle is equal to 180. Okay. So kalau awak tengok yang C2 ni 156.4. Okay. Yang awak dah ada tadi apa? A kan? Okay. So A plus C2 equal to berapa? 30 plus 156.4. So you can get this one 186.4, which is greater than 180 degree. So tak boleh lah. Sebab dia mesti kena less than 180. So when this one greater than 180 means that C2 does not exist. Tak boleh. So we only have C1 only. So we can say that you only have one distinct triangle because for C2 is not possible. Boleh? Okay, that one for question 6. Now looks on question 7. Question 7 pun sama juga. Okay, in triangle ABC, A equal to 7, C equal to 16, and then the angle is equal to 30. So you want to check, okay, when you have only one triangle and one angle and then two sides, we want to check whether you have a two triangle or exactly one triangle lah. So you must explain why by using law of sine. So this one also same thing. Sine 30 degree over 7 equal to sine C over 16. So you solve this one, you can get C. Okay, C equal to 1.1428. Okay, so we know that C sine cannot be greater than 1. So the angle C is not possible and bukan no solution lah. Dia kena, awak kena buat conclusion lah sini. Okay, so no triangle. Okay, no triangle exists lah. Why no triangle exists? Because the value of C cannot be solved. So you must put the conclusion. Sebab dia tanya, soalan dia tanya ada triangle ke tidak. Okay, so you kena bagilah jawapan dia. No triangle. Kalau ada triangle, berapa triangle? 1 ke 2. Macam tu. Okay. So this one for question 7. Now looks on questions 8. Now looks on question 8. Okay, question 8 pun sama juga. In the triangle ABC, you have A equal to 10, B equal to 16, and the angle equal to 30. Angle of A equal to 30 degree. How many distinct triangles can be drawn given this measurement? Explain why, then solve the triangle. Okay, so this one also same thing. Okay, so you need to find first, okay, how many triangle do you have? Okay, so your friend using this formula. Boleh juga ni. Because we know that when A greater than H less than B, so you must have two triangle. Okay, so they find first what is the value of H. So by using H equal to B sine A, so you can get H equal to 8. So we can see that A greater than H less than B, so you can get two triangle. When you have two triangles, you need to solve lah. Solve. So you can get the angle equal to, first you need to find the first one, sine 30 over 10, sine B over 16. So you can get 53.1. So of course you can find the other one, 126.9. And then you can find the value of C lah. C ni tak payah kira, yang ni pun tak apalah. So sebab kita dah ada A equal to 30 degree, So you just use C equal to 180 minus A minus B1. So you can get C1, which is 96.9, and then C2 equal to 180 minus 30 minus 126.9. So you can get 23.1 degree. Okay. And then you can find the length. Length for C equal to 19.86 and length for C2 equal to 7.85. Okay, that one for question number 8. Next, looks on question number 9. A circus monkey climbs a 25-meter long rope, which tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Okay, so you want to find the height. Okay. So awak punya what we call it diagram ni salah ni. Okay. Because you want to find the height. Supposedly you punya ni macam ni. Okay, 30 degree here. 25 is here. Okay, and then this one is height. Okay. Ni. Sebab we want to find the height. This one is the rope. So angle here. Okay. So when you mistake on the drawing, of course your calculation will be mistake lah. Okay. So automatically this one is 90 degree. Okay. And then we can use law of sine. H over sine 30 degree equal to 25 over sine 90 degree. So you can get H equal to around 12.5. This one is H. Okay, and then question number 10. Okay, question number 10. So you can find, this is your, what we call it, drawing, 30 degree, 9 meter. Okay. How you know this one is 8? Okay. Mustahil that one is 8. 8 meter. Because this one is hypotenuse. How come your hypotenuse more longer than your base? So your drawing is something like this only. That we know 30 and then 9. Okay. And this one is 90. So this one is not 8. Okay, because the hypotenuse cannot be long than what we call it, the other values. The side of its value, adjacent and opposite. Hypotenuse is the longest value. Okay. So that one is cannot be, this figure is not correct lah. Okay. So you must find first what is the angle here. Okay, it's easy for you to solve lah because we already know that this one is 30, this one is 90, so here become 60 degree lah. Okay. Okay, by using law of sine, you can find, okay, let's say here is A, B, here is C, okay. Ni dah salah habis ni. Okay. So by using law of sine, AB over AB. No, silap. This one A, this one B, this one C. Okay. AB equal to sine 30 degree equal to 9 over sine 60 lah. So you can get the value of AB when you solve this one. So AB equal to 9 over 3. Okay, AB. Okay, and then you want to find the height of the tree. Okay, sebab dia patah tu kan. Okay, so the height of tree equal to AB plus AC lah. Okay. You want to find AB plus AC. Sebab dia patah. Patah mesti dia tumbang. Kena ada cantuman yang ni lah. Mesti dia ada naik ke atas lagi ni. Ni sama dengan yang ni. Akan sama sebab dia patah. Imagine macam tu. Okay. So you need to find first what is AC. Okay. AC over sine 90 degree equal to 9 over sine 60 degree. So you can get AC lah. AC equal to 18 over 3. So you can get this value AB plus AC by get these summations to value. So your final answer supposedly 9/3. So this is your final answer. Okay? Boleh? Okay. Now look on the question 9. Question 11. Yang ni mana? Okay. Azizo plans to make 2 slides for his daughter to play outside his house. For the eldest daughter, the age of 4 years. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.0 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground, where as for the elder daughter, she wants to have a steep side at a height of 2.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of side of in each cases? Okay, so you need to find the solutions for this one. Okay, all the signs 2.5 meter, 1 meter. Okay. Okay. You are mistake on the put the angle. Okay. You kena faham ayat dia tu. She prefer to have a slide bus top is at a height of 1 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Bukan from the ground tau, to the ground. Okay, so means that you punya gambar rajah macam ni. Supposedly. Okay, so the first one is 30 degree. The second one is 60 degree. Lebih kurang gitulah. Okay, sebab dia to the ground. You dah silap ni. And then here is 2.5 and here is 1. So when you want to calculate, okay, you are using formula. You nak cari dia punya Q je tu, cos. You nak cari dia punya ni berapa, what is the length here berapa, and then length for this one berapa. Okay, so the first one we can use cos Q, cos Q pula, cos 30 we use for this one, cos 30 degree equal to, okay, cos 30 equal to adjacent per hypotenuse 1 over, let's say we put here as x, this one is y, 1 over x, so you can get the value of x, which is 2 over 3, and then the other one, cos 60 degree equal to 2.5, okay, 2.5 over y, then you can get the value of y, which is 5 meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Boleh? Okay. Make sure you kena faham macam mana nak transform from the paragraph question to problems to the diagram. If you mistake on the transforming graph problems to the diagram, awak punya calculation akan salah. Okay. 12. Okay. Okay. This one, okay, correct. Your what we call it, the diagram. So 180 minus 30 minus equal to 60. So you can find, just substitute in the formula of sine. So you can get A equal to 15 meter. Okay, this one is correct. Any problems? Okay, now let's question 13. Okay, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclinations of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Ni pun sama juga. Kalau awak salah faham, habis. Okay. So make sure you need to understand what is the definitions of 60 tu. 60 degree tu. The inclinations of the string with the ground. Apa maksud the inclinations of the string with the ground? Awak dah silap faham tu. The inclination. The inclination sudut dia duduk sini. Salah dah ni. Okay. So make sure you need to know the names of the angle tu. Okay, so your solution supposedly sine 60 degree equal to 60 over length. Sebab awak buat length lah kan. So you can get length. Length equal to 120 over 3. Ni. Inclination. Inclination itu sudut ke bawah. Okay. 14. You all ni kena banyak revise nama sudut ni. Okay, 14. 14 also a same thing. Okay, A equal to 1.7 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30.7 meter tall building. The angle elevation, ni pun satu juga. Angle elevation from his eyes to the top. Ni maksudnya dari mata dia to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Maksudnya dia menghampiri building lah. Find the distance he walk toward the building. Tu dia. So dia nak tahu the distance toward hill building. So you put as L1 first 30 degree and then L2 60 degree. Find the distance he walked toward the building. Okay, so means that you want to find the difference kan? L1 minus L2. Okay. So, first, you can use formula 30 degree for this one. So, we can get the value of L lah. So, this one is 29. So, you can use formula apa ni awak guna ni? Tangent. Okay, this one. Tangent. Okay, so you must minus first lah. 29 minus 1.7 is 27.3. Okay, so tangent 30 degree equal to 27.3 over L1. So you can get 47.28. Okay, the second one, tangent 60 degree equal to 27 over 3 L1. So, no, L1 apa? L2 lah ni. Okay, L2, so you can get 15.76. And then L1 minus L2 equal to this one. Betul ni. Okay? Boleh? Any problems? No. Okay, question 15. Okay. Okay, question 15. You have a point 20 meter. Okay, 20 meter. And then this one is 45. So of course here also 45 degree. And then the other one, okay, transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meter height of the building are 45 degree and 65 degree. Salah awak punya definition ni. Okay. Sebab dia letak benda tu dekat sini. So, sini. 60 duduk sini. Okay. Tower fixed at the top. Transmission tower ni duduk atas bangunan. Ni bangunan kan. This one is a building with 20. 45 and 60. 60 degree. Okay. So you can use formula of direct je ni. Tangent. Okay. Tangent 45 degree equal to 20 x lah. Okay, so you can get x equal to 20 meter. Okay, and then the second one, tangent 60 degree equal to 10 plus the value 20 that you have below ni, yang ni. Okay, ni 20 come from this one. Sebab awak nak cari yang ni kan, berapa. Okay. So you can get the value of h lah. Of the what we call it, h of the height of the tower. Okay. Transmission tower tu. Atas bangunan tu. So awak solve this one. Awak akan dapat height of the tower tu lah. Awak akan dapat 23 minus 20. Solve yang ni. Dapat berapa? So your final answer is h equal to 14.64. So this is your final answer lah. Okay, next. Question number 16. 1.6 meters stand at the top of pedestal. Okay, from a point on the ground. Yang ni pun sama je macam tadi. Okay. Dia berdiri atas ni. But at this one, find the height of pedestal. So you want to find the height this one. Okay. 45, 60. 60 ni bukan sini tau, 60. 60 dia mesti from the ground. Bukan situ 60 tu. 60 is from the ground. Kalau awak buat sini 60, sini 45, dah 100 lebih. Kalau 100 lebih, dia duduk gini dah. 60 ni total ni. 60 degree total. Okay. So, guna je macam tadi, formula tangent tu. Okay. Tangent what? Tangent 60 degree equal to x plus 1.6 over apa ni awak buat y. Okay, y. Because you want to find what is x. Okay. The second one, tangent 45 degree equal to tangent 45. Okay. Equal to x over y. Kan? So solve simultaneously between this one equation, this one, two equation. Okay. Solve simultaneously. Okay. When you solve simultaneously, you can get the value of x lah. Okay. The final answer of x, you can get berapa? Berapa final answer of x? Of x tu? What is the final answer of x? Oh, 2.19. Make sure you get this final answer. Aduh, korang ni. Okay. Any problems?